In this setup, the account value contains both the company code and the account code. I only want to display the actual general ledger account code. To separate those two parts, I use the split function. Split takes a value and separates it based on a chosen delimiter. In this case, the delimiter is the underscore. That means the value is divided into two parts. The first part is the company code, and the second part is the account code. I want to use the second part only because that is the account code I need. So I apply split, tell it to split on the underscore, and return the second element. Once I apply that change and preview the results, we now have the full structure in place. We have a year selection, a company selection, a general ledger structure, actuals from last year, current budget for the selected year, and only P&L figures. So the structure is now ready. But at this point, we still cannot budget yet because the model is not interactive. That is what I will show in the next video.